Suppose if you want to create a triangular bullet symbol in your Microsoft Word MS Word document, then you must simply type 2023. So you must type like this 2023, and after that you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time, Alt key and S key. If you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this triangular bullet been added. Another method is you must go to your computer keyboard and turn on the numlock. Now you can press one of your finger in this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time you must type here 8227. After typing 8227, you can release your finger from this Alt key. Again you can see that the symbol have been arrived. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.